Honorable Lordship, the Chief Justice, sir, may kindly permit to commence this program. Thank you, Lordship, for your kind permission. A very good evening to all the honorable dignitaries. My Lord, Honorable the Chief Justice, Mr. Suresh Kumar Kaith, High Court, Madhya Pradesh. My Lord, Honorable the Administrative Judge, Mr. Sanjeev Sachdeva, High Court, Madhya Pradesh. Honorable esteemed companion judges of High Court of Madhya Pradesh. A warm word of welcome on this momentous occasion, which is witness of another benchmark supplemented in the infrastructural expansion in district judiciary of Madhya Pradesh under able guidance of our visionary Honorable the Chief Justice, sir. On this occasion, first of all, I would like to invite respected Mr. Dharmendra Singh, Registrar General, High Court of Madhya Pradesh, to present a sapling to Honorable the Chief Justice, sir. Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to invite respected Mr. Krishnamurthy Mishra, Director, State Judicial Academy of Madhya Pradesh, to present a sapling to Honorable the Administrative Judge of High Court of Madhya Pradesh. Thank you, sir. To move forward, now I would like to invite respected Mr. Dharmendra Singh, Registrar General, High Court of Madhya Pradesh, to deliver welcome speech.
Very good evening to everyone present here. Honorable Chief Justice, High Court of Madhya Pradesh, Honorable Administrative Judges, High Court of Madhya Pradesh, Honorable the Companion Judges of the High Court, respected Registry Officers, Principal District and Session Judges, members of the Judiciary, Presidents as well as Secretaries of the various Bar Associations, Advocates and all the other dignitaries present here physically and virtually. It is my profound privilege to welcome your Lordships and all the dignitaries on this landmark occasion. Today we gather to mark the inauguration of the new residential premises of our esteemed judicial officers alongside the inauguration of the new family court buildings and child-friendly court complexes. Infrastructure has always been the pivotal concern of the Honorable Chief Justice and High Court, and these initiatives exemplify the unwavering commitment to enhance the services condition and well-being of the judiciary. His Lordship and vision have inspired countless individuals, and His Lordship's commitment to justice has made lasting impact on our community. The newly established family court buildings and child-friendly court complexes are much more than just infrastructure enhancements, and these reflects a thoughtful approach to provide a conducive environment for the resolution of the sensitive family and child-related matters, upholding the dignity and the care that such cases. The residential premises are a welcoming step forward. It is significantly upgrading the living standard and supporting the professional dedication of our judicial officers. I take this opportunity to extend my sincere thanks to the Honorable Chief Justice for his Lordship's unwavering motivation and guidance in making these projects a reality. I also extend warmest gratitude to Honorable Sri Justice Sanjeev Sadeva, Administrative Judge, High Court of Madhya Pradesh, as well as Honorable Companion Judges of the High Court for their constant support and encouragement. A special word of appreciation goes to the Principal District Judges and their team and judicial officers whose dedication and hard work have been instrumental in bringing these buildings to fruition. I would also like to acknowledge the tireless efforts of the infrastructure team for their dedication and commitment. Their hard work has been pivotal in realizing these projects, and we truly value their contributions. As we gather today to celebrate the inauguration of newly family courts, residential complexes, and child-friendly courts facilities, I would like to take a moment to stress an important point, that is our collective responsibility to ensure that government resources are used wisely and efficiently. These newly inaugurated facilities, whether family courts, residential complexes, or child-friendly courts, have been created to serve the public and provide justice where it is needed. It is being noticed that some of these residential complexes and court facilities have been left on the shelf for too long. We must remember that when infrastructure remains idle, it doesn't just incur unnecessary costs, it is also a result of the deterioration of the assets, making them less useful in the long run. I urge all of us to take immediate action and prioritize the occupation of these spaces. If there are any issue with the infrastructure, let us address them on the go. Rome was not built in a day, and no building is ever perfect from the start. By swiftly occupying these new spaces, we will not only making the best use of the public funds, but also laying groundwork for the greater efficiency and justice in our system. We will also giving our citizens a system that works them for them and for the children. We are creating an environment where they are treated with dignity and care. Once again, I extend warm welcome to everyone present here. Thank you, Lordship.
Thank you, sir. Before proceeds further, I would like to take a moment to share something that perfectly encapsulates the vision and purpose of our gathering today. To give us all a glimpse of what we aim to achieve. Therefore, may I kindly request the technical team to play the video presentation related to the court complexes. Thank you. The aim of enhancement of physical infrastructure is to be providing judicial officers enough space to conduct their daily tasks toward the delivery of justice to all the parties. After all, a good working space as well as residential space ensure work efficiency. In order to achieve the same, the High Court of Madhya Pradesh has been provided top-class residential premises to the respected judges of district judiciary. Therefore, once again, I kindly request the technical team to play the video presentation related to the residential premises at different districts across the state of Madhya Pradesh. Thank you. As we know that inauguration is a symbol to just a start as well as utilization of amenities. Today, it is set to launch 7 infrastructure projects pertaining to family courts, child court, and residential premises at various districts across the state of Madhya Pradesh. As we saw, family court complex, child-friendly court, and residential premises contribute to the smooth functioning of the judiciary by enhancing accessibility, safety, efficiency, and the well-being of judicial officers. These infrastructural elements are crucial for maintaining public confidence in the judicial system and ensuring timely justice. The details of these projects are as follows. Family Court Building, District Jhabua, Family Court Building, District Balaghat, Residential Premises, Tehsil Budhar, District Shahdol, Residential Premises, Tehsil Rajendra Gram, District Anuppur, Residential Premises, District Shajapur, Child Friendly Court, Tehsil Manawar, District Dhar, Residential Premises, Tehsil Kolaras, District Shivpuri. To move forward now, I would like to request Honorable Mr. Justice Subodh Abhyankar, Portfolio Judge of Family Court, District Jhabua, to deliver inaugural address. Over to Honorable Mr. Justice Subodh Abhyankar.
Honorable the Chief Justice Suresh Kumar Kat, Honorable the Administrative Judge Shri Sanjeev Sachdeva, my esteemed brothers and sister judges, officers of the High Court Registry, Principal District Judge Jhabua, and the officers of the District Court Jhabua, government officers present, and the contractor and his team, ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to all. on the occasion of this virtual opening of the new family court building and other buildings by the Honorable the Chief Justice in various districts of MP, which are ready to be served, ready to be inaugurated, and would be ready to serve in no time. Here I am concerned for the new family court building at Jhabua. The estimated construction cost of the said building is around 2.27 crores. The building has the following salient features. Built up area of the said court building is 730 square meter. That would be 7855 square foot. And the building consists of one courtroom, filing section, separate toilets for male and female, ramp, computer room, counseling room, common room for male and female, creche, record room and store room and other facilities. After it starts functioning, it is expected that judges, advocates and litigants shall have better facilities. And in addition to that, the space problem which was being faced since long will also be solved. I hope this court would give some respite to the litigants in the area. I am happy that newly constructed family court premises is being inaugurated by Honorable the Chief Justice, where I am shouldering the responsibility of Portfolio Judge, Family Court, Jhabua. Last but not the least, I extend my sincere appreciation to all the stakeholders, including the judicial officers, government and PWD officers, contractors and laborers who have immensely contributed towards the construction of the new building. I thank you all for your sincere efforts. Thank you.
By the gracious presence of Lordship Honorable the Chief Justice Sir. And it gives immense pleasure to request Lordship to inaugurate the Family Court Building, District Jhabua. Principal District and Session Judge Jhabua is present at the site. Honorable Chief Justice Sir. Please go ahead. Thank you, Lordship. To move forward now, I would like to request Honorable Mr. Justice Vishal Mishra, Portfolio Judge of Family Court, District Balaghat, to deliver inaugural address. Honorable Mr. Justice Vishal Mishra.
Honorable the Chief Justice, Honorable the Administrative Judge, Honorable other sister and brother judges, officers of the registry, District and Session Judge, Balaghat, Principal Judge, Family Court, Balaghat, other judicial officers who are connected through virtual mode. A very good evening to you all. Today we have assembled here for an inauguration of a newly constructed Family Court building at Balaghat, which is being constructed incurring a cost of rupees 235.61 lakhs. The building is being constructed in terms and the norms and the specifications decided. The building is having spacious courtrooms with chambers, PO, steno rooms, filing sections, computer rooms, counseling rooms, common room for male and female, crutch, record room, store room, ramp, male and female separate toilets, etc. By the construction of the new family court building at Balaghat, there will be enough space for the accommodation of judges, lawyers, staff, litigants, and the same will enable a good and congenial working atmosphere. Providing a good working atmosphere will help in reducing the pendency of the cases also. The construction of the new family court building Balaghat will benefit the population of Tehsil Balaghat at large by providing easier access to justice, by providing comfortable and working atmosphere. I am happy to say that the construction of the new family court building at Balaghat has added a milestone to the infrastructure of the judiciary in the state of Madhya Pradesh. I am once again thankful to the Honorable Chief Justice for sparing his valuable time for the inauguration of the family court building at Balaghat. I am thankful to all the stakeholders who have contributed in construction of the new family court building at Balaghat. Thank you.
Thank you, Lordship. Once again, I would like to request Lordship Honorable the Chief Justice Sir to inaugurate the Family Court Building, Balaghat. Principal District and Session Judge Balaghat is present at the site. Honorable Chief Justice Sir. Thank you, Lordship. To move forward now, I would like to request Honorable Mrs. Justice Anuradha Shukla, Portfolio Judge of District Shahdol and Anuppur, to deliver inaugural address. Honorable Mrs. Justice Anuradha Shukla.
Honorable the Chief Justice, sir, Honorable the Administrative Judge, sir, Honorable the Companion Judges, the Registry Members and Registrar General, Shri P.C. Gupta ji, PDJ District Anuppur, Shri Kashinath Singh ji, PDJ District Shahdol, all judicial members present here and connected through BC. सभी को नमस्कार. मेरे लिए ये वीडियो क्लिप जो दिखाई गई उसको देख करके लगा कि जो हेजिटेशन जुडिशियल ऑफिसर्स का डिस्ट्रिक्ट जुडिशरी के सदस्यों का रहता है कि तहसील में पोस्टिंग के लिए ना घर हैं अच्छे, ना स्कूल्स अच्छे हैं और ना ही मेडिकल फैसिलिटी है, तो हाई कोर्ट ने अपना टास्क इतनी खूबसूरती से निभाया है कि कम से कम एक उनकी परेशानी को सॉल्व किया गया है और बहुत ही बेहतरीन ढंग से वो जो कंस्ट्रक्शन है वो उसकी क्वालिटी देख करके लग रहा है कि वो बहुत सारे प्राइवेट घरों से भी बेमिसाल है वो. और दूसरे जिस चीज से मैं बहुत इम्प्रेस हुई हूँ वो ये कि ये घरों का कंस्ट्रक्शन शुरू हुआ जून एंड जुलाई 2023. हम लोग जब इस कॉरिडोर से गुजरते हैं तब देखते हैं कि नई कोर्ट बिल्डिंग हाई कोर्ट की कितनी फास्टली कंस्ट्रक्ट की जा रही है. हम लोग के लिए वही बहुत अमेजिंग है. लेकिन तहसील लेवल पे इस मोटिवेशन के साथ काम हुआ है, तो जो कोई भी स्टेक होल्डर्स इसमें इन्वॉल्व हैं कि उन्होंने 1.5 साल के कम पीरियड में ये क्वालिटी वर्क दिया है. और अपने ऑनरेबल सीजे साहब को भी इस चीज के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कि एक जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट जुडिशरी के मेंबर्स की परेशानी है उसको इतने ढंग से रिजॉल्व किया गया. थैंक यू सर.
Thank you, Ladyship. I would like to request Lordship Honorable the Chief Justice, sir, to inaugurate the residential premises, Tehsil Budhar, District Shahdol. Principal District and Session Judge Shahdol is present at the site. Honorable Chief Justice, sir.
Please go ahead.
Thank you, Lordship. Once again, I would like to request Lordship Honorable the Chief Justice, sir, to inaugurate the residential premises, Tehsil Rajendra Gram, District Anuppur. Principal District and Session Judge Anuppur is present at the site. Honorable Chief Justice, sir.
Please go ahead.
Thank you, Lordship. To move forward now, I would like to request Honorable Mr. Justice Sanjeev Kalgaonkar, Portfolio Judge, District Shajapur, to deliver inaugural address. Honorable Mr. Justice Sanjeev Kalgaonkar.
Honorable the Chief Justice, Honorable Administrative Judge, Honorable Administrative Judges of the bench at Indore and Gwalior, Honorable Companion Judges, respected District Principal District Judge, Shajapur, respected judges from District Judiciary of Shajapur and other respected judges who have joined the VC. At the very outset, I extend very heartful gratitude to Honorable Chief Justice and Honorable Judges of the Administrative Committee, the Infrastructure Committee for sanctioning 10.2 crore rupees for construction of 5 residential units at Shajapur. It was the start of the residential units. There were 13 judges working at Shajapur, against which only 3 judicial pool residential units were available. Now with construction and availability of these 5 units, they will be at peace, they will be comfortable so far as residential accommodation is concerned. However, some more residential units would be required in near future. I would like to congratulate all associated with construction of these units. They have worked hard, they have maintained the quality and also done the construction work within the given funds. At the end, I pray and wish peace, tranquility, and happiness to all the judges who will make these four walls their home. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Lordship. Once again, I would like to request Lordship, Honorable the Chief Justice, sir, to inaugurate the residential premises, District Shajapur. Principal District and Session Judge Shajapur is present at the site. Honorable Chief Justice, sir.
Please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Thank you, Lordship. To move forward now, I would like to request Honorable Mr. Justice Prem Narayan Singh, Portfolio Judge, District Dhar, to deliver inaugural address. Honorable Mr. Justice Prem Narayan Singh.
Honorable the Administrative Judge and all other company judges, all principal district judges and their team, Registrar General and all judicial registry officers. Very good morning to all of you. The journey to the civil court in Manawar has been ongoing for 76 years since 1949. At present, there are more than 7,000 cases, including both civil and criminals. In this tribal-dominated region, the crime rate is rising rapidly, particularly the cases relating to crimes against women and sexual exploitation of children, which have seen a notable increase, with more than 300 such cases currently pending. Among these, 110 cases under the POCSO Act. In such a scenario, the establishment of a child-friendly court is highly significant. As per information, the court building has been constructed with expenditure of ₹1 crore 18 lakhs. It has courtroom, public entry, waiting common room, pantry, waiting area for relatives, winter room, PA room, chamber, 4 toilets and ramp. I hope this building will assist in welfare of children and their families. In conclusion, let me once again express my sincere gratitude to everyone who have contributed to the construction of this new building in Manawar Court. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Lordship. Once again, I would like to request Lordship, Honorable the Chief Justice, sir, to inaugurate the child-friendly court, Tehsil Manawar, District Dhar. Principal District and Session Judge Dhar is present at the site. Honorable Chief Justice, sir.
Please go ahead.
Thank you, Lordship. To move forward now, I would like to request Honorable Mr. Justice Pradesh, Portfolio Judge, District Shivpuri, to deliver inaugural address. Honorable Mr. Justice Pradesh.
Honorable Sri Justice Suresh Kumar Kaith, Chief Justice, High Court of Madhya Pradesh, Sri Administrative Judge of Jabalpur High Court, my esteemed brother and sister judges, Registrar General, officers of the registry, Jabalpur, Indore and Gwalior, Principal District and Session Judges, other judges of district courts and employee of the district courts. Good evening to all. I extended a warm welcome to all of you at inaugural of the new constructed building of that is 1 D type and 1 E type residential unit at Kolaras district, Sipri. Kolaras is a religious place and famous as a mini Vrindavan. At present, there are 3 courtrooms in Kolaras where 2 judicial officers are discharging their duties, but 2 more judicial officers are now posted at Kolaras. There is no courtroom for functioning of the court work for Kolaras 4th judicial officer. Therefore, Honorable Chief Justice is requested to shift the newly posted civil judge class 2 from Kolaras to Sipri in order to smooth functioning of the court work. Earlier, 2 residential units are provided to the judicial officers, out of which 1 residential unit is not good condition and it is not sufficient for the purpose of residential accommodation of judicial officer, as the result which 1 judicial officer was resided in rented premises. Therefore, there is a need of our to construct new residential unit and finally it reached its decision. Aforesaid two newly residential units have been constructed with modern amenities as well as facilities, so that there should be no obstacle or hindrance for the judicial officers for their proper and suitable accommodation as well as perform judicial work. I congratulate everyone who has contributed in making residential building project in reality. I find newly constructed building visually pleasing and having fulfilled with the latest modern amenities, and that will provide highly helpful to all and sundry. I am confident that all judicial officers of the district will perform their duties with greater dedication, commitment, and efficiency. Once again, congratulate everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, Lordship. Once again, I would like to request Lordship, Honorable the Chief Justice, sir, to inaugurate the residential premises, Tehsil Kolaras, District Shivpuri. Principal District and Session Judge Shivpuri is present at the site. Honorable Chief Justice, sir.
Please go ahead.
Thank you, Lordship. Moving further now, I would like to request Honorable the Chief Justice of Madhya Pradesh to deliver the keynote address on this occasion. Honorable the Chief Justice, sir.
My esteemed colleagues, officers of the registry, principal district judges, the officer of the district judiciary, ladies and gentlemen. A well-functioning judicial system depends not only on legal expertise, but also on infrastructure that supports it. Courts must be equipped to serve the needs of people efficiently, ensuring a smooth and dignified legal process for all. Today, as we take an important step towards improving judicial infrastructure, we reaffirm our commitment to creating a system that is accessible, modern, and people friendly. The new family court buildings in Jabua and Balaghat will provide a well structured space for handling family disputes. These courts will have dedicated counseling rooms, filing sections, computer rooms, record rooms, and store rooms to enhance efficiency. To make the courts more accessible and convenient for litigants, they will also include separate common rooms for men and women, a crèche facility for young children, and ramps for persons with disabilities. The legal system must be sensitive to the needs of children, especially when they are involved in legal proceedings. The child-friendly courtroom in Manavar, District Dhar is designed to provide a safe and reassuring space for young witnesses and victims. It will feature a waiting area for witnesses, common rooms, a pantry, and specially designed seating arrangement, ensuring that children feel secure and supported throughout the legal process. Recognizing the crucial role of district judiciary, steps have been taken to improve their living conditions of judicial officers. Modern residential units have been sanctioned in Budhar, Shahdol, Shajapur, Anupur, and Shivpuri. These accommodations will provide well-equipped and comfortable housing, allowing judicial officers to perform their duties with greater focus and efficiency. With a total sanctioned amount exceeding rupees 24 crores, these projects mark a significant investment in strengthening our judiciary. More than just new buildings, they represent a commitment to improving the justice system and making it more efficient, inclusive, and accessible to all. Some of these buildings were completed more than 5 years ago, yet they have not been put to use. Infrastructure is built with the purpose of serving the people, and any delay in its utilization defeats its very objective. It is essential that court buildings and judicial facilities are made operational as soon as they are completed so that litigants can benefit from the improved infrastructure without unnecessary delay. Progress is measured not just by laws and judgments by the ease with the which people can seek and receive justice. Every step toward better infrastructure strengthens public confidence in the legal system. As we move forward, these developments will ensure that justice is delivered in a manner that is fair, efficient, and respectful of the needs of every individual. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Lordship, for sharing your valuable views about infrastructural development in Madhya Pradesh. In the last, but by no means the least, I would like to invite and request Shri Yugal Raghuvanshi, Registrar Work and Infrastructure, to kindly propose vote of thanks.
Thank you, sir. नवनिर्मित न्यायालय भवन एवं आवासीय परिसर के लोकार्पण कार्यक्रम के मुख्य अतिथि माननीय न्यायमूर्ति श्री सुरेश कुमार कैत, मुख्य न्यायाधिपति मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय जबलपुर, माननीय न्यायमूर्ति श्री संजीव सचदेवा, प्रशासनिक न्यायाधिपति मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय जबलपुर, माननीय न्यायमूर्ति श्री सुबोध अभ्यंकर, पोर्टफोलियो न्यायाधिपति कुटुंब न्यायालय इंदौर जोन, माननीय न्यायमूर्ति श्री विशाल मिश्रा, पोर्टफोलियो न्यायाधिपति कुटुंब न्यायालय जबलपुर जोन, माननीय न्यायमूर्ति श्रीमती अनुराधा शुक्ला, पोर्टफोलियो न्यायाधिपति जिला शहडोल एवं अनूपपुर, माननीय न्यायमूर्ति श्री संजीव एस कालगांवकर, पोर्टफोलियो न्यायाधिपति जिला शाजापुर, माननीय न्यायमूर्ति श्री प्रेम नारायण सिंह, पोर्टफोलियो न्यायाधिपति जिला धार, माननीय न्यायमूर्ति श्री हृदेश, पोर्टफोलियो न्यायाधिपति जिला शिवपुरी, माननीय न्यायमूर्ति श्री अवनींद्र कुमार सिंह, पोर्टफोलियो न्यायाधिपति जिला बालाघाट, माननीय न्यायमूर्ति श्री गजेंद्र सिंह, पोर्टफोलियो न्यायाधिपति जिला झाबुआ। कार्यक्रम में उपस्थित समस्त माननीय न्यायमूर्तिगण मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय, आदरणीय रजिस्ट्रार जनरल मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय जबलपुर एवं रजिस्ट्री के समस्त अधिकारीगण, आदरणीय सदस्य सचिव राज्य विधि सेवा प्राधिकरण जबलपुर एवं अधिकारीगण, आदरणीय निदेशक मध्य प्रदेश राज्य न्यायिक अकादमी जबलपुर एवं अधिकारीगण, प्रधान जिला एवं सत्र न्यायाधीश झाबुआ, बालाघाट, शहडोल, अनूपपुर, शाजापुर, शिवपुरी एवं धार, प्रधान न्यायाधीश कुटुंब न्यायालय झाबुआ एवं बालाघाट एवं अन्य समस्त उपस्थित न्यायाधीशगण, उपस्थित अभिभाषक संघ के अध्यक्ष, सचिव तथा समस्त अधिवक्तागण, कार्यक्रम में प्रत्यक्ष एवं वर्चुअली उपस्थित अन्य समस्त विशिष्ट जन, आप सभी को मेरा आदर पूर्वक नमस्कार, सादर वंदन, अभिनंदन। मैं युगल रघुवंशी, रजिस्ट्रार कार्य अधोसंरचना मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय जबलपुर, संस्थान एवं व्यक्तिगत रूप से आज के इस विशेष लोकार्पण कार्यक्रम में आप सभी की गरिमामय उपस्थिति के लिए हृदय से आभारी हूं। मैं माननीय मुख्य अतिथि न्यायमूर्ति श्री सुरेश कुमार कैत, मुख्य न्यायाधिपति मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय जबलपुर का व्यस्तम समय में से इस कार्यक्रम के लिए समय प्रदान करने हेतु विशिष्ट रूप से आभार प्रकट करता हूं। माननीय, आपकी गरिमामय उपस्थिति एक आशीर्वाद है। आपके प्रत्येक शब्द हमें प्रेरणा देते हैं। आपका आज का प्रेरक उद्बोधन मध्य प्रदेश न्यायपालिका में भविष्य के अधोसंरचना संबंधी कार्यों को नव ऊर्जा एवं उत्प्रेरक गति प्रदान कर हमें और अधिक श्रेष्ठतापूर्ण कार्य निष्पादन हेतु प्रेरित करेगा, जिसके लिए हम आपको हृदय से धन्यवाद ज्ञापित करते हैं। मैं माननीय पोर्टफोलियो न्यायमूर्तिगण का भी कार्यक्रम में उपस्थित होने, अपने सारगर्भित प्रेरणास्पद विचार प्रकट कर हमें मार्गदर्शन करने के लिए हृदय से आभार प्रकट करता हूँ। मैं माननीय न्यायमूर्तिगण मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय, जिनकी गरिमा में उपस्थिति हमें सकारात्मक ऊर्जा से परिपूर्ण करती है, आप सभी की गरिमा में उपस्थिति ने कार्यक्रम को आभामय बनाया है, जिसके लिए मैं हृदय से आप सभी को धन्यवाद ज्ञापित करता हूं। मैं माननीय उच्च न्यायालय की जिला न्यायिक अधोसंरचना समिति का भी आभार ज्ञापित करता हूं, जो कि जिला न्यायपालिका के आधारभूत संरचनात्मक कार्यों को मूर्त रूप प्रदान करने में कार्य के प्रथम सोपान से लेकर कार्य की पूर्णता तक निरंतर हमारा अभिभावक की भांति पथ प्रदर्शन करती है। मैं आदरणीय रजिस्ट्रार जनरल मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय जबलपुर का भी आभार व्यक्त करता हूं, जिनके निरंतर मार्गदर्शन एवं दृष्टिकोण ने हमारी समझ को समृद्ध किया है। मैं सभी जिलों के प्रधान जिला एवं सत्र न्यायाधीशगण, प्रधान न्यायाधीश कुटुंब न्यायालय, अन्य समस्त न्यायाधीशगण, अभिभाषक संघ के पदाधिकारीगण, अधिवक्तागण, निर्माण एजेंसी के समस्त प्राधिकारीगण, मध्य प्रदेश उच्च न्यायालय एवं जिला न्यायालय की IT टीम एवं अन्य सभी अधिकारी कर्मचारीगण, जिनका इस कार्यक्रम को सफल बनाने में प्रत्यक्ष एवं अप्रत्यक्ष सहयोग प्राप्त हुआ है, उन सभी का आभार प्रकट करता हूं, धन्यवाद ज्ञापित करता हूं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you very much. With the kind permission of Lordship, Honorable the Chief Justice, sir, may declare end of the program. Thank you. Jai Hind.